Page 18, O Come All Ye Faithful. So I'll go through the process I use to learn a piece of music. First, I look it over. I see it's about 4 lines long. The clef signs are treble and bass clef. The time signature is 4/4 time signature. It has a pickup beat. We're coming on beat 4. So the first 3 beats should be someplace else. So we look at the end, the bottom of page 19, we see 3 beats. So that's beats 1, 2, and 3, and beats 4. Okay. I see quarter notes, half notes. What else? Just quarter notes and half notes? I think we can, oh, there is a whole note. Okay, fine. And a dotted half note. Don't forget that. The hands are not playing at the same time, so I'm going to take both hands together here. The right hand starts here on middle C. And the left hand, when it comes in, is third finger on the G. And I assume you know the names of the notes in the music here. So it's 4-1. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I go through the whole thing and play it all through at whatever speed. Slow. Then I go back over it slowly and I get rid of any hesitations. So it's a steady beat. Then I'll add the dynamics. MF at the beginning is mezzo forte, which is moderately loud, sort of loud. Not loud, just sort of loud. Whatever you think that is. And then at measure 12, you see at the end there's a P. That's piano for soft. So measure 12, you're starting out sort of loud here. Now all of a sudden you're soft, light. Then you go up to moderately soft, MP. Now up to moderately loud. Now loud. So they gave you a great big long gradually getting louder, but they wrote it in. Yeah, so you're just going up a little bit louder. They could have said P at measure 12 and then put up there gradually louder and given you an F there toward the end. And then you have to figure it out. Sometimes they do things like that. Here, they've actually written in the different steps for you. So they're helping you gradually get louder. Then finally the speed. Well, joyfully isn't a speed, it's a mood. But again, that's what they do sometimes. It's a happy piece. It's not super fast happy, just happy. Remember the natural accent? To here. This should sound like a pickup beat. To here. Now, some people, when they actually do this piece at the end where they have the F, they will have the F 2 beats earlier on the quarter notes. That's M, but you can put it there on the Christ too. That's interpretation. I mean, it's not always going to be in exactly the same place. How do you feel it? And that's what you do. There is a note at the bottom of page 19 that if you want, you can play some of those measures in a long, short rhythm. I don't typically do that until they teach you dotted rhythms, because in my opinion, we need to do this accurately. You can just do it long, short, just feel it. For instance, in measure 7, instead of this, even, you can hang on to that A a little longer. 1, 2, there. And they give you some other measures. There's measure 7 and 19 down there at the there. Toward the end there, the last 2 measures. Again, I'm doing them all straight. I have problems with what they're doing here. I want to be accurate. And all we're doing here is estimating it. It's a long, short, whatever feels right. It's up to you and your teacher whether you do that, but I'm not going to do it in this lesson. Now, once you can play this, at least slowly with no hesitations, let's check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do any louds and softs. We're not performing it. We're just checking notes and rhythms. I'll give us 3 counts. You should play the same note I'm playing when I play it. is all this is for. This is after you've learned it. Don't come to the Play With Me section to learn it. Learn it first and then check it in the Play With Me section. 1, ready, go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. Now there's a duet for this. I'd like to play that, and you play what we just played. We're going to speed it up quite a bit. The accompaniment part doesn't have a pickup beat. You do, they don't. So I'm going to play that first note with you. I'm going to play it down here. And then I'm going to do the accompaniment part. Make sure you can play that fast. 1, 2. 2. Yeah, make sure you can play it that fast. I also forgot to tell you, you got to go up. So pretend middle C instead of here is up here. And you're up here. Play it all up here. I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, go.